Let's make something beautiful, Pommes Duchesse with fresh herbs from the garden. Start by peeling your potatoes and cutting them into even pieces, and then boil in salted water until tender. This will take about 15 to 18 minutes. While they cook, head to the garden and harvest a few sprigs of fresh parsley and rosemary. Saute the garlic and rosemary gently in a bit of butter, just until fragrant, and then set aside. This will bring depth and aroma to your potatoes. Once the potatoes are fork tender, drain well and let them steam dry for a moment. And then press the potatoes through a ricer to keep them light and smooth. If you don't have a ricer, you can also just mash them with a masher. Now mix in the herb butter and egg yolk, a splash of milk, a pinch of salt, pepper, and just a hint of nutmeg. Stir until smooth but still firm enough to pipe. Spoon the mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. And then pipe elegant swirls onto a silicone-lined tray. This is where the magic happens. Lightly brush each swirl with olive oil mixed with a bit of egg white for that beautiful golden finish. And then bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown and lightly crisp on the edges. Serve warm, garnish with edible flowers from the garden. These Pommes Duchesse make the perfect side for special meals. You can serve them alongside a classic roast, chicken, or seared steak. It is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and infused with garden fresh flavor. It's comfort food with a touch of elegance. Bon appetit!